All right, back we go. It is Saturday, February 13th, looking at these stocks, mainly penny stocks, because they are the movers. When you look in the market each day, the top stocks are the penny stocks. Pretty much, quarter to $20. I would say that range. Our RETO, 10 million float, 30 million market cap. What do they do? Manufacture, distribute construction materials primarily in China. Bricks, pavers, tiles. So, this was up near 12 in 2018, back and forth, bounce. See the bounces, all the high bounces are getting lower. It's really flattened at 50 cents. And then this did make a move to 190, came back again, tested. See this double bottom of 50. Then we start to go up here, 60, 80, 90. Look how this touched 150 right on the nose. Yeah, that's all manipulated. So 150. Here's the 50-cent line. All right, so you can see all the touches here. 150. Look at this. Touch, touch, touch. Now we're going up again. Are we going to break that? Yeah, it's been on a good run from here to here. This could come back to 110, 1. This could do this. Come back to here, back to 1, and then bounce up strong. I think that could happen. We'll see. It's turning down stochastics a little bit. So look for, if this does get a 1, for a bounce, and then eventually we can go up and break 150. Probably the 2 level, I would guess, on RETO. I don't see no news recently on it either. All right, MYSZ. 6.9 million float, 14 million market cap. My size. Commercializes mobile device measurement solutions for e-commerce, fashion, apparel, shipping, parcel, Israel. This had a crazy move back in 2017, this big wick. Came back down on this wedge right here. See this? Back in 2018, back and forth. Then you had a reverse split right here in November. Came back down. This big wedge, this big channel, didn't really come out of it strong. I tried to come up here, but didn't work. Came way back down here. Okay, back down to this like one level, 75 cents. Tried to break 150, retest it. But the low was getting higher here. See, 1, 2, 3. And then it started to go up. Look at right here. You're in a nice little run. We broke out. So this broke over this 150. It's holding. The back and forth, there's a lot of chop. It did break. It's putting in large wicks back and forth. So, this could test 150 again. It doesn't mean the move's over. It could do this. See, it's doing this. Dip buying here. This could come back to 150, then break right back up and go over 2. Yeah, I suspect we'll get to 3 here. I think we'll at least get to the 3 level, and that's the way it's going. It's very low float. It could happen in like a few moves. So I would watch for that there. I'm going to sneeze. Ugh. Thought it was going to sneeze. So, look for that. Look at the move, though, here, like the sideways action. And we're like trying to ramp up, really trying to explode up here. So, follow that action, and I think we will get there. DLPN. 4.87 million float, 31 million market cap. Division of 42 West retained Funko, new Snapseas line, Dolphin Entertainment to present at Microcat Rodeo Winter Wonderland Conference. Operates independent entertainment marketing, premium content developed company in the United States. All right, let's look at this. So this really was nothing back in 2018, very scattered chart. Then it's made the move in July and came all the way back 2019, bounced 2020. Then you have a high getting lower right here, reverse split. And we tried to go up, and we did go all the way to 7, came back a little bit. So I'm taking this line out now. And let's draw some cross lines. You have a line right here at 20 now. And you have a line at 2. So you can see this back and forth, back and forth. And then we found that base right at 2. And now I would look for, this 10 lines, very big. Right here's the 10 line. All right, so you see this, they come up to 10. Now the low got high right here, the reverse split, trying to come up. And you have a line right here at 6. See the gap above, and then there's gaps all over the way these candles are moving. Very gappy and going up, but they don't hold. They don't hold. So right now I can see this over 6. If we can get over 6, you get into this zone and get right to 10. Look at that space here. And I think we will. This is a low float. Again, on this, how they're moving up, the low is getting higher. This comes back to 450. That's fine. The low each time is getting higher. So, look for that break on this. And this is really good potential. Even potential up to 20, I think, eventually. This can really fly. But we'll see how this plays out in the next week. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. Peace.